Hey class, for our writing today, we are going to be doing something a little different. We're not just going to be like writing a descriptive essay or writing a personal narrative. We're going to just work on writing sentences because we really need some work on that. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So when you're writing a story, the story should be made up of many sentences. And what do all sentences start with? Capital letter. What do all sentences end with? Period. But the sentence has to make sense and it has to have a subject and a verb. So the subject is what the sentence is about. The verb is what you're doing in the sentence. So it helps make our writing so much more interesting when we understand how to just write sentences. So if you're doing an assignment and the teacher says, "What's your favorite color?" You just say red. But if you're writing and you're wanting to express what your favorite color is, you have to use a complete sentence. So I'm going to demonstrate right here on our paper. So let's say the question that we're asking is, what is your favorite color? The first thing we're going to do right here on our paper. I made this paper. My lines aren't exactly straight because I drew them. But this is what the paper in your journals looks like, or the notebook paper that you're writing on. And the holes of your paper, these three holes, should always be on your left-hand side when you're writing. Because if you start the paper on the other side, the paper's backwards. So these should always be on your left-hand side. That's how you know you're writing on the right side of the paper. And there's always a space up here, a big space up here at the top, that we don't write on. We're going to start on this first line right here. This first line. And this area of the paper, there's a red line. I know mine's not red, but yours has a red line that comes down right here. This area of the paper, we don't write in that area. That is not for writing. We start right here on the red line. So, again, the question was, what is your favorite color? So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to write my favorite color is red. Period. So look at that sentence I wrote. My favorite color is red. And I started with a capital and I ended with a period. So when I saw the question, what is your favorite color? Did I just write one word? Red. No, I did not. I wrote a complete sentence for my answer. So anytime you're working on assignments in reading or any subject and they ask you a question, your reply should be a complete sentence. So you shouldn't just say red. You should say my favorite color is red. So let's try one more. I have another question right here ready for us. What is your favorite game to play? What is your favorite game to play? I'm going to start right here and put my favorite game to, and look, I ran out of room right here. I don't have room to write another word, so I'm going to come right here. To play is Uno. So I started right here with a capital letter and put my favorite game to play is Uno. And I capitalized Uno because it's a proper noun. It's the name of the game I like to play. So that is how I made a complete sentence to answer that question. When I was asked, what is your favorite game to play? I did not just put Uno. I wrote a whole sentence. Started with a capital. My favorite game to play is Uno. And see how I'm keeping all my letters in the lines? I don't go above the line. I don't go below it. I keep it right on the line. Let's do one more. What is your favorite school subject? Let me point something out real quick. Have y'all noticed that all these sentences start with a capital, but they end in a what? What's this? Question mark. It's not a period. When you're asking a question, your sentence should end with a question mark. So, what is your favorite subject in school? I'm going to start right here and I'm going to write my favorite subject. And look, I'm out of room, so I'm going to start over here. In school is reading. Period. So I wrote a complete sentence here to tell you what my favorite subject in school is. My favorite subject in school is reading. Period. So I made complete sentences. I started them with a capital. I ended them in a period. And I answered each question with a complete sentence. So on the next slide, you're going to click on the next slide, and there's going to be 4 questions. 4 questions for you to answer. This is important, so make sure you've got your listening ears on. You're going to write those questions in your journal. You're going to write the question first, and then you're going to write your answer in a complete sentence. So let's look right here. I'm going to show you what I want you to do in your journal. I want you to start right here. We're going to put number 1. What is your favorite color? And I'm putting a question mark because that's the question. That's going to be the question. Oops, y'all can't see that, can you? And now I'm going to write my answer right below it. My favorite color is red. Period. So in your journal, you're going to click on the next slide. You're going to read the questions that I have on there. You're going to write them in your journal. What is your favorite color? Then you're going to answer with a complete sentence. My favorite color is red. There's going to be 4 questions on the next slide. 4 questions. And you're going to write the question and then your answer. Remember, when you're writing a question, it ends with a question mark, just like right here. Ended with a question mark. When you're writing just a sentence that's just a statement, it ends with a period. So again, you're going to click to the next slide. There's 4 questions on the next slide. You're going to take out your journal. You're going to write those 4 questions in your journal, and you're going to answer them with a complete sentence. Just like I did right here. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is red. I wrote the question, question mark. I wrote the sentence. I didn't just put one word, red. I wrote the whole sentence. My favorite color is red. So I want you to do that in your journal. Write the questions. Write the answer in a complete sentence. Then take a picture and upload it to the assignment. Good luck.